Is singlehood a journey or a destination? Well, it's a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and independence. Imagine no boundaries, just endless opportunities for exploration and self-expression. Remember, singlehood is not a status to be ashamed of. It's an opportunity to embrace independence and embark on exciting adventures. Solo adventures are an incredible way to explore the world and discover more about yourself. Imagine the thrill of navigating a foreign city, or the serenity of a solitary hike. The world is your oyster, filled with opportunities to grow. Whether it's backpacking through Europe, hiking in the mountains, or simply exploring your own city, solo travel allows you to meet new people and create unforgettable memories. In addition to travel, singlehood offers the opportunity to dive into new hobbies and interests. Picture yourself exploring cooking or painting, or maybe even dance workshops and outdoor adventures. Embrace your passions, challenge yourself, and discover what brings you joy. Contrary to popular belief, being single doesn't mean being lonely. Singlehood is an opportunity to forge new bonds, find mentors, and build supportive communities. It's about creating heartwarming stories of friendship and camaraderie. Surround yourself with supportive friends and mentors who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Above all, prioritize self-care and self-love. Delight in the freedom to nourish your mind, body, and soul. Whether it's a serene meditation, a rejuvenating yoga session, or a pampering spa day, indulge yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion, and remember that your worth is not defined by your relationship status. So embrace singlehood with confidence, knowing that this chapter of your life is filled with endless opportunities for growth, adventure, and self-discovery. Remember, from solo travel to new hobbies and meaningful connections, the world is your oyster. Thank you for joining us on Dating Quest. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep celebrating the amazing journey of singlehood.